What's going on, guys? It's Elias. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're staring at a vacuum right now because I've gotten quite a number of responses and questions on how do I keep my interiors clean. Now, in case you guys don't know, I really don't wash my cars all that often. You guys probably know that already. If you've watched my previous car wash videos, you know that I really don't spend that much time washing my cars. I spend more time driving and maintaining them mechanically. However, salt and things like that is important to be cleaned off a vehicle, so I do go through a car wash every once in a while just to spray all that junk off. Otherwise, I let my cars run dirty, and I should be getting better about that. I hopefully will be. But then the other thing you guys don't know about me is I do like to keep the interior of my cars very clean, because that, if you leave your interior of your car dirty, it starts smelling, it starts stinking. And there's a number of ways you can keep your car clean and smelling good on the inside. I'll put a link in the description right up here. It'll show you exactly how to get any smells out of your interior. Now, on to this vacuum. This is what I use, or this is what I started using recently when I wanted to clean out my carpets, my truck specifically, and my BMW and the Type R. All get carpet cleaning treatment, as well as the WRX and the Prelude when I get a chance every once in a while. And I wanted something portable, something I don't have to connect to something. That's really annoying. If you know anything, having to connect something to a wall is really annoying. It's just not something that I want to do. So let's just go over the parts list here. So this is a wall mount. You can go ahead and mount this to a wall, and you can mount, and that way that will stand up straight. So if you're going to use this as a house vacuum, I don't know if I'd recommend it too much, because you can't just stop vacuuming and let it won't sit up straight by itself. As you can see here, it's quite heavy, and well, not quite heavy, but it's back heavy. So it's got a lot of weight right up there, and it won't stand up by itself. It will fall and it'll break. So that's a big negative about this vacuum. If you're gonna sit it down, you have to lay it down flat like that. But I didn't buy it for that reason. I bought it so I can wash my cars or clean my cars on the inside. So let me show you guys what I do to use this vacuum to clean up my cars. So very simply, I take this and I can remove this like this. Very easy. And then take this piece right here. And there we go. Now I have a very nice, compact, and I can reach into every crevice and every nook to wash and clean the interior of the car, under the seats, all around. There's no cord or anything. You gotta love that. The other positive thing, and I was using a shop vac previously. The reason I stopped using a shop vac is because shop vacs don't, well, you could have HEPA filters with the shop vacs, but mine did not have a HEPA filter. This does. So this has a HEPA filter, and I have a lot of allergy issues. So I started using this just because I wanted a HEPA filter and something I could just plug in. One thing I really do like about this is that when you turn it on, this is your battery indicator right here. As you can see there, it has two settings. So it's got the high and the low. I pretty much always just put it to the high setting and just vacuum out whatever I need to vacuum out. And it's pretty good. And now if I want to shorten up the stick, I can just take this out like this. Take this out like that. It's like a Lego piece. And then put it all together, and then you got it. There's also one more piece that you can use. I use to clean up in between the seats and things like that. And I'll show you right here. And there's this brush right here. This is very convenient. This is actually the thing I use the most. I'll show you why. Very simple like that. So let's say you need to get through and into the nook and cranny of under a seat or something. You can go ahead and reach there. But then you want to brush some things up, and it has a little brush there. You push this forward. Bam! Awesome. You go ahead, clean it up. Very lightweight. And once you're done, you can plug it into the base, which is this. And you can mount it to the wall. I'm not going to do that. I just plug it in. And that's it. I love all these cordless things that have come out. in the last 10 years. Technology keeps on improving. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll catch you next time. Peace out.